Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing this XOR problem from CodeChef Contest July Challenge 2021. So the problem is as follows. We are given an array with n integers and we have to convert all the integers given in the array to 0. Now how can we convert them to 0? In one operation we have to choose a positive p and we have to select at most k numbers from the array and convert all of them to ai XOR 2 raised to the power p. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into the explanation. Before the explanation, I would like to request all of you to subscribe to my channel to not to miss any related updates that I will be uploading very soon. We need to understand what 2 raised to the power p means. Now 2 raised to the power p can also be represented as 1 left shift p, or we can say that 2 raised to the power p will have just one bit set in its binary representation. All the other bits will be 0. To understand the question, let's take an example of a number 5. Now number 5 can be represented in binary as 0, 1 and 0, 1. So we can clearly see that it has 2 bits set. And for this 5 to become 0, we need to XOR it with 1 and 4. So P should be selected as 0 and then P should be selected as 2. Now to understand the question, let's take the example that is given in the question. We are given an array of size 3 and the numbers are 3, 6 and 10. Now the binary representation of all three of them are given in right here. This is 3, this is 6, this is and this is 10. So what we need to do is we need to convert all of them to 0. So first, in the brute force way, what we can do is we can first select 3 and select p is equal to we select 3, we select p is equal to 0. So in that case this bit would be turned to 0 and then similarly we select 3 and convert this to 0 and so on and so forth. However, we can efficiently do this because we want to minimize the number of operations. So we can actually select k a bit place where there are more number of ones, so that if we select p is equal to 1, for example in this case, we can simultaneously change 2 bits to 0. Why 2? Because k given in this case is equal to 2. Had k been equal to 3 or more, we could simultaneously change all three of them. So the first operation that I would take in this case would be to select p is equal to 1 and select either 3 or 6 or 6 or 10 or 3 or 10, whatever. So to convert two of them to 0, and now for example I converted these two ones to 0. Now I'm left with 4 ones that are in different places. So in now I cannot optimize it further and I need to select P for all of these 4 places. So the answer in this case should be 4, because there are 4 bits set and the one operation in which we simultaneously converted 2 of the bits to 0. Now with the help of this array we can actually find the bit places where there are more number of bits set. For example, in this case at the first place we have 3 bits set. So we can simultaneously convert more numbers at first place to 0. And in a general case we take the size of our array to be 64 size. because our AI is less than equal to 10 raised to the power 9, and 64 bits can easily encapsulate all of them. Now let's see the code. Here is the code. We take the input first. We take an array of size 64 and we input the numbers. For each number we traverse from 0 to 64 and we check which of the bits are set. Now we get the array that we discussed earlier. Now we traverse the array from 0 to 64 and calculate the number of operations as follows. So the count is incremented by bits I divided by k plus bits I mod k. This is a ternary operator, and if there is a remainder left, we return a 1 or else we return a 0. Again, I would like all of you to please subscribe to my channel to stay updated on the content that I upload. Thank you.